Hello, AlgoDevs enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Yash Balotiya, your guide in the world of algorithms and development. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, mastering the basics of C programming. If you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future coding tutorials. All right, let's get started. Today we'll be dissecting a simple C program that prints "Hello World," a classic starting point for many programmers. We'll explore each line, understand its purpose, and discuss ways to optimize and enhance this basic program. Here's our starting point. A basic C program begins with the inclusion of the standard input-output library, UVs include. This library provides functions like printf and scanf, which we'll be using today. Next, we have the main function, the entry point of every C program. Inside the main function, we see a simple print statement printing "Hello World" to the console. Now, let's break down each component and understand what's happening. Let's take a closer look at the code. The include directive tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library. Without this, our program wouldn't recognize functions like printf. Moving on to the main function, it's where the execution begins. The print statement does exactly what you'd expect. It prints the string "Hello World" to the console. But why do we have return 0 at the end? Stick around, we'll get to that in a moment. The return 0 line indicates that our program has executed successfully. In C, a return value of 0 conventionally signifies success, while a non-zero value indicates an error. As our program is simple, returning 0 is sufficient. As a quick optimization tip, some compilers automatically insert return "iorcho" at the end of the main function if it's omitted. However, it's good practice to include it explicitly for clarity and compatibility. Now, let's delve deeper into the printf function. It's a powerful tool for output formatting, allowing us to print various data types and control the appearance of our output. We've understood the code, but how do we run it? We'll walk you through the compilation process using a popular compiler like GCC, and then we'll execute our program to see the results. Follow along as we type the commands and witness the "Hello World" message appearing on our screen. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through the fundamentals of our simple C program. Understanding these basics is crucial as we venture into more complex algorithms and data structures in future videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment with your questions or suggestions for future videos. Subscribe for more content, and remember, happy coding! Until next time, this is Yash Balotiya signing off from AlgoDevs.